Okay guys, I'm going to replace my carbon monoxide alarm because this one is something wrong. It's keep on beeping. So see that? You guys hear that? It's always like that. Every 30 seconds it will turn on. So because this one is already expired. This one is already expired. So it says here. Replaced in 2024. Now it's 2025. So it's already past due. So I have to replace this one. See that? Turn on again. Okay guys, so I have to remove this one. This one to replace this one, you have to turn counterclockwise. And then here, yeah, it's still turning on. And then there's a plug here. So this one will come out. So this is the old one. Okay. So I have to replace also this one. I have to replace the whole thing. Okay guys, I'm going to remove this one now. You guys can hear the smoke alarm still alarming even though it's off already. So this one, so these are on the wire. So I have to remove this connector because this one is came from the old one, and then I'm going to install the new one. So this one is very easy to follow. Red, it will go to the red one, red wire, white goes to white, and then black goes to black. So it's very easy. You guys can hear that alarm still turning on. See, this one is still turning on. So even though it's off already, so it's so annoying. Okay guys, so this is the new one. So this one is a 2025 model. So everything is inside here. This is the one that I am going to install. So okay, and also this is the wire. Okay, you guys can hear my old smoke alarm still turning on. So okay, this is the one I'm going to install. So these two, okay, it's very easy to follow guys. Okay guys, so here we go. So this one first I have to do. So red will go to the red, and then black will go to the black. It's right here. The white one, it goes to the white one. So it's very easy to follow. It's very basic. So I'll do it first, the red one. So I'll do it one at a time. Okay, so don't worry about that alarm. Okay. So there we go. So I have to do this one. Okay. Turn it on. Okay. And then I'll go to the white one. I didn't turn off the breaker though, so I just this. So there we go. And then white. There we go. And then this is the hot wire. This is the live one, the black one. See that even you remove already the smoke alarm in the connector is still turning on because there's a battery on it. So it's a built-in battery inside. That's why even you remove it, it's still turning on. Okay guys, so this is the old one. So now I'm going, oh, black one. And then try to pull, make sure it's not gonna come off. There we go. There we go guys, easy. Okay guys, I'm going also to put tape around here for safety. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is my next one guys, so we have to push this in here. Sure they are all inside. Sure. To line it up properly. There we go. And we have to tie this up. Just like that. Easy. Okay guys, so this is the one that we're going to install now. This is a new one. This one is says here 2025. So this one after 10 years again need to get replaced. Okay. So I'm going to install the wire here. Okay guys, and then after that, this one we have to turn clockwise. We have to turn, this one is off, so we have to turn clockwise because the on is right here. It says here on, right? So we have to line up this one and the turn on right here. Okay, you see that one? Okay, we have to turn this one clockwise later on after we install the wire here. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, here we go, guys. I have to plug it in now. See it like this one. It's way different. There you go. And then after that I have to turn this the right. Okay. There you go. You have to use a screwdriver. Now it's on. There we go. It shows all the wire. There we go. That's it, guys. And then this is the dust cover. If it's already installed, you can remove this one. Oh. It's not up. There we go. Just like that. Now it's on. That's it. That's how easy, guys, to install. All right. You can see now. There you go. That is the new one now. This one is a fire alarm and a carbon monoxide. So it's like 2-in-1. Okay. That's how easy, guys, to install. I hope this video will help you guys how to replace your carbon monoxide or smoke alarm. It's very easy to follow. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, guys, so I'm going to test this one. You have to press this green. See that?
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
There we go. See that? It says fire and then carbon monoxide. So if there's a carbon monoxide detected in this one, so it will say carbon monoxide or fire alarm.